Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. I'm excited, just got this package in the mail today. I know what it is, and I think you're going to find it interesting. Stick around, we'll take a look. Okay guys, so this package is from Ron at Somo Diecast. He's a high school classmate of mine from Springfield, Missouri. And Ron also has a channel called Somo Diecast. I've plugged him a few times on the channel if you've been watching any length of time. He does custom and restoration of Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Tootsie Toys, Racing Champions. I mean, all kinds of 64th scale stuff. And head over to his channel and check it out because he just finished his first 125th scale model. I think he said in almost 30 years. He did a multi-part build on a 1970 Chevelle that his son and grandson gave him for Father's Day, and it really turned out great. He did some custom decals. A lot of it was some really great stuff. But anyway, this package is from Ron, and one of the things he did was some 3D printing, and I saw it and I said, oh man, I got to get one of these things. And so Ron is selling these packages too. Boy, this is really well packed. Oh, check it out. And oh, Ron's got a shop card. This is awesome. Somo Diecast, and Ron, now this is some of his 64th scale. Like I said, you got to go over and check out that 25th scale 70 Chevelle. I'm not going to tell you anything about it. I'll let you go check it out. But it's really good. I'm hoping he gets back into, Mark, here's a little something to play. Say, hey, thank you, Ron. I appreciate that. That's going to go in my stack of awesome shop cards. Ron came up with something, and sorry, I'm hitting the camera there, with a 3D printer for and of course, all he's got to do is rescale it. You can do so much with 3D printing nowadays, as we all know. Check that out. A Volkswagen T2 pickup, and isn't that cool? But here's the unique thing. Ron 3D printed. Man, he really packaged this thing nice, too. Ron's card. His shop card. Another decal, and as you remember, I've got one up here on my workbench now. All right. And this is an instruction sheet, I would imagine, since I saw his. By the way, here's a picture of his. Is that not cool? A camper for the T2 pickup. And yes, it is, as you see here, instructions. You've got a rear window awning, camper bumper. Check it out. And this is, again, 3D printed. Oh, yeah, look at that. And there's all the other parts. Man, I really like this little container. I don't know just what I can put in. Other stuff I can put in that. Oh, man. But anyway, give you an idea. That fits right on. And sitting low like that. I mean, he even customed that just to, oh, this is great. And there's the rear awning and the bumper. And, come on. Yeah, there's that rear camper bumper. Look at the tread plate. Oh, that is wicked. The rear awning and the awning supports. And I love the way he did the texture. He's got it smooth on the top, and look at the kind of the metal finish there. I like this. And if Ron, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to tell him you had put on your... and by the way, he has a Facebook group too. And you can go to his Facebook group and order these. and I think it's $25 if I remember correctly. And Ron, well, they can find it over there. But you get the camper, the T2, the Volkswagen T2 truck, and I'm sure he'll send you a card and a. Whoa! But anyway, I kind of look forward to getting this one done and getting it on the shelf. That is so cool. That is so cool. And here's a picture, by the way, of that Chevelle. Head over there and take a look at that a little closer and give him some support. Yeah, let's get him over here doing this too. And I know many of us who also collect the 64th scale stuff, this is kind of a cool side project, and I've already been thinking about a unique paint job for this and something to tow behind it. When he did this on his channel and introduced the camper, he also scratch built a trailer to go along with it. I've got a car to be towed behind it. And by the way, if you'll look, there is a trailer hitch. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a trailer hitch on the back of the camper bumper. So that's kind of wicked. That's just cool. That's just cool. Got the door on one side. But anyway, just a short video to introduce it. And if you're interested in one, like I said, it comes with the VW. It comes with all of the camper parts. And you'll be set up to go if you collect or love to build these things. And for a small scale thing, this is really cool too. Okay, guys. That's it. Wanted to share that with you. I've been excited about it since Ron introduced it, and I got lined up for one. So, like I said, if you're interested, head over, check him out, and he'll get you squared away. I think just go over to his Somo Diecast Facebook page. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome weekend. See you in the next video.